Memo bibi akwaba eba Melodies TV so. Senegal for presidents aye bibi na me hu ne se social media Ghana for katre John Dramani Mahama se ono nso eba na oba beda ne president a onye sa de na bi. For those who don't know, Senegal for Atuaba Eyi, a very young guy, so far the youngest president in the continent, 44 years. Now, president, he's doing a lot of things. Say, a landmark ewo Africa. Because so far in Africa, yen shedden who president be say Atuaba mano, and I would declare the assets. That be Senegal president we Atuaba man, and say over than the president, and ye best so any in the crown. We declare the assets. I'm our tre in Japadia wo so that holding the presidents Mbra wo be di president ewie no oba na oba be born in Japade a ye be hu ne se we wi a ana won wi a e ade an African president bebre na enye waye osamso the reforms eba Senegal ho a ase ama mbebunu no omuni age nkrofobia na e wo man ni mu a yesusu se omo ye corrupt ne nsensem ni na no chese osesase so omo e na wo ma embra e di djuma e wo krom ho nti ama nkrofo bebre na eni age a wo mo ka se well. It is looking promising. It is looking promising for this young guy. Say we win, any nyama war, it's looking extremely promising. Now, adia ba ko bi nso a all sanso ye. And the Ghana forecast no, the war ye ne de. Ya said the President Akufo-Addo ye. I mean the former president ne ye na ya said the President Akufo-Addo ye wa Ghana nti Mahama hu na wonsua no. Eni eno no obi aba betro. O say Senegal's new president Bassirou Diomaye Faye has annulled a decree that appointed members of the Supreme Court, thereby dismissing the newly promoted first president of the courts, Abdoulaye Ndiaye. On March 29, 2024, 4 days before his departure, Macky Sall appointed new members of the Supreme Court and promoted others. The first Supreme Court president was involved in controversial rulings that prevented the new PM, Ousmane Sonko, from being a candidate. Can the NDC do same in 2025? And you say former president, appointing for Supreme Court judges. Once in Ghana, Chief Justice, judges pinino. Yes, omo de no, omo friend Chief Justice, omo friend Supreme Court president. Senegal for sa no mo fra omo de no omo fra the Supreme Court president nti no otremu a old president no appointing Crawford to Supreme Court for esanso Supreme Court esanso appointed Supreme Court president who is the Chief Justice there na no Supreme Court president yi a Chief Justice wo ho no kra no okodi asem ema opposition ye opposition ni bi kra tumu yet opposition etumu party ase nti no say Senegal for new president 44 years year wabe sa nyama na waboegu omo a o appoint ye omo a old president na appointed to Supreme Court sa Supreme Court president here o select ye eni nyama ni na no wa cancel ni na waboni ni na egu obi be see the president. I don't know, but we'll go into the details of that, okay? And more emranim for no. I would like you to educate us on this. Ntiana will be say 2025 say Mahama eba beda ne president a. Sa de we onu nso betumi aye bia na. Mahama wonye bia na ana monye. Your guess is as good as mine. But let's go into the details of the whole thing. Now, as to whether Mahama be biana wonyana, this is what I'll say. You see, I don't know Ghana emra on this particular thing, and that's the truth. Me nim Ghana emra on the judges. You see, Mama what I say Ghana no eya na ye dada ye ho say ye run democracy. Okay. And then we separation of powers and order. But the truth of the matter is that the executive overrides all the arms of government. Now, I don't know. Minim emra Ghana ha say presidents eba no ba beto say Supreme Courts judges and Chief Justice president no betumi use veto power Ede asake wo mu nyina na say I don't know, minim. But obviously say Mahama ba na oba ba ye bibisa na unim senia Ghana fo be kasa. A lot of people are going to speak against Mahama over Saudi, but the advice I will give Mahama, or what I want the NDC to do, listen, Edrumra, it was say yes, the total structure of the judiciary. Here it is a idea, yes, we shouldn't even bargain about it. If you're saying you to me appointing Crawford to the Supreme Court, you to me appointing Crawford to the you to me appointing Crawford on than judges, which are some of the controversial ruling. Senegal sao I'm an opposition, ya say we are selecting president and selecting any parts of women than the Chief Justice, but any parts in that case watch your position now to mean a controversial issue. Watching out to in fiase. And yasem ketwa. So the advice I'll give Mahama is say Mahama ba ana NDC for ba. No mo ba so judges ni ye bo bi egu. Ye we egu a. You see it will look too too savage. Okay, it will man Crawford and right and we are in a democracy and all that. Why wouldn't Mama what as I say NDC ba? All these people and they will rise up and they'll start speaking again if Mahama does something bad. What I think the NDC should do, and they should get a legislation. Okay, so Mahama ba within his first year, what I think he should do is on Parliament, because that time hopefully the NDC will be majority in Parliament. They should try to pass a legislation so that senior selection was Supreme Court no. Ebesesa. Senior president to me select will be Supreme Court no. Ebesesa. But you see, it will also be very difficult for the NDC, and that is the truth. I'm being real here. It will be very difficult for the NDC to do that because politics adebia as a mewo opposition no uye mi bibi. Nti me nso menya to me a e wo se mitua oka. Mainly no, that is what politics is. Nti wo hwe senior president Akufo-Addo bae ono nso afafa MPP for bebre na akọ judiciary ni mu no. NDC so twen so ono nso ba ono nso be fa ne nkrofo atum. Nti se NDC ba no aba be hu ne se president Akufo-Addo nkrofo wo judiciary. No NDC amba me yon mo hwe. Na afi ono NDC kwa kasa okay sisi a yembe legislation. Na legislation no yenye make sure say ebe fair. Yenye make sure say ne president ne be selecting Crawford. They are shooting themselves in the foot. Not just say omo president Akufo-Addo fire no, they are still there. And no NDC no ebe papa na yedin eguso in quotes. Just for clarity. No NDC no ba be papa na eguso. Boni ni guase and on de papa na eguso. Oye de nkra na ase boni no still ewo ho. Ati ase. Inti se NDC person mo ye no mo ye pana. Seni America no emra no I don't know say emra tre say president ebetumi yi judges no. Seni president are appointed no I don't to believe say emra no sisia no ebetumi atre say president na or appointed no anso betumi asake judges no. Inti if Mahama really wants to do it well, what our request is say send ya Senegal for president aye no nso nye bi. Ompame judges ni na chief justice ni obi a wompame omo. Pame omo ni na make sure say ya select afi based on neutrality. Let's find a system to select ni hu ni say system no wegu no e na wasan so den ahihye no foforo. But that one will also sort of have an effect because you see on your mind because of democracy there are court cases every day happening. Into obana say oba besake judges ni na obesesa ni nemu a within that period no court cases ni na bear some way. You see it will bring some sort of chaos. What I say, but at least at the end of the day no Mimi feel say that one will be better. Listen, judiciary no everything possible. Mimi feel say it was to clear that perception. Say judiciary no more corrupt or more biased no. We need to do it because the judiciary is our last point. It's our last point. You know, see the number of people in the Ghana in California, see the number of people who are having issues so ɔmo kɔ court a nsɛm ɔmo ba abɔnten a yɛ a ɔmo ba bɛka